Hi, and welcome to IFC Market's instructional video on how to install technical analysis indicators into your NetTradix platform. To access our set of indicators, we simply go to Chart, Indicators, and they appear. You can also do it by simply clicking Ctrl-I, and there you have them. Now then, first on our list for volume indicators is the Accumulation Distribution Indicator. Select it from the list, click Set, OK, and here it appears at the bottom. The accumulation distribution is a volume-based technical analysis indicator designed to reflect cumulative inflows and outflows of money for an asset by comparing close prices with highs and lows and weighing the relation by trading volumes. To access our set of indicators, we simply go to Chart, Indicators, and they appear. You can also do it by simply clicking Ctrl-I, and there you have them. Next on the list is the Money Flow Index, or MFI. Select it from the list, click Set, OK, and it appears at the bottom of our screen. The MFI is a technical indicator developed to estimate money inflow intensity into a certain asset by comparing price increases and decreases over a given period, but also taking into consideration trading volumes. The indicator can be used to identify whether an asset is overbought or oversold, as well as to determine possible turning points. To access our set of indicators, we simply go to Chart, Indicators, and they appear. You can also do it by simply clicking Ctrl-I, and there you have them. Next on the list is the On-Balance Volume, or OBV. Select, click Set, OK, and here it appears at the bottom of our screen. The OBV is a cumulative, volume-based tool intended to show the relation between the amount of deals and assets price movements. The OBV line is used for trend confirmation or possible turning points and identification purposes. Last on our list is volumes. Click Set, OK, and there it appears. Volume is a technical analysis tool which reflects the trading activity of investors for a given time period. The indicator is generally used together with price analysis to confirm trend strength or highlight its weakness and therefore identify possible upcoming reversals.